Hi, my technical seminar topic is optical character recognition using KNN algorithm under the guidance of Assistant Professor Bharat Kumar. Content of my technical seminar topic is Introduction, Literature Survey, History, Why is OCR important, Working, Application, Conclusion and Future Work, Reference. Coming to Introduction. Historical printed documents such as old books and old newspapers are being digitized and made available through software interface such as web-based libraries. Scanned images of original documents are usually displayed in grayscale or color for the benefits of human readers. The aim is to develop an efficient method which uses a custom image to train the classifier. The OCR extracts a distinct feature from the input image for classifying its contents as a character, specifically letters and digits. But optical character recognition is used to enable keyword search, document categorization, and other referencing tasks. OCR describes the process whereby an image is captured from the paper document, scanned, after which the text is extracted from the image. Paper documents are converted into editable computer files by entering text into your computer without retyping them. Next, coming to literature survey. First literature survey is using k-nearest neighbor in optical character recognition. The growth in computer vision technology has aided society with various kinds of tasks. One of these tasks is the ability of recognition text contained in an image, are usually referred to as optical character recognition. There are many kinds of algorithms that can be implemented into an OCR. This research aims to find out process behind the OCR mechanism by using k-nearest neighbor algorithm. One of the most influential machine learning algorithm. This also aims to find out how precise the algorithm is in OCR program. In this research shows and explains the use of nearest neighbor algorithm in an optical character recognition program. In this research, the main drawback is coding language they have used. They used C language. It requires more data sets to process. It will take a more execution time. Literature survey. Next literature survey. The review on optical character recognition technique. Optical character recognition or OCR is electronic translation of handwritten, typewritten, or printed text into machine translated images. It is widely used to recognize and search text from electronic documents or to publish the text on a website. The paper presents a survey of application of OCR in different fields and further presents experimentation for three important applications such as CAPTCHA, institution repository, optical musical character recognition, etc. The main drawback of this project is it fails to recognize handwritten documents and it's not working for different font size. And next literature survey. Next literature survey, a study on utilizing OCR technology in building text database. Optical character recognition OCR might be the most plausible method in building database out of printed documents. This paper describes the points to be considered when one selects an OCR system in order to build a database. Based on our experiments on 4 commercial OCR systems, we choose one that shows the highest recognition rate to build the OCR text base. This paper has pre-study for building OCR text database from a large volume of printed documents. We evaluate the recognition rate of current OCR system in a practical environment. Next, coming to history of an OCR technology. Uh, Early optical character recognition is used for creating device for the blinds. In 1914, Emanuel Goldberg developed a machine that reads the characters and converted them into standard telegraphic code. Mm, and Edmund Foreigner developed the autophonic using OCR technology. Autophonic means it's an electronic device which scans the documents and produce the electronic sound for the blind people. because they can't see. By hearing sound, they will assume which letter it is. And then coming to Emanuel Goldberg developed a statistical machine for searching microfilms archives. During 1920s, its patent was acquired by the IBM in the year 1931. Microfilm archive means it's nothing but storing digital images. Next, why is OCR important? As shown in the figure, an American study by the research organization International Data Corporation indicate that 85% of all typing done on PCs is actually pre-typing of data already available on paper. And 90% of data is still on the paper. Everything available on the internet is just 10% of actual data present. That's why OCR is very important. Next, coming to methodology. Methodology mainly consists of four steps: scanning, segmentation, pre-processing, feature extraction, recognition. Then coming to scanning. The input is scanned using the scanner. The input may be image, written document, paper, etc. Segmentation. Second step is segmentation. The document is first segmented by row histogram and then segmented again by column histogram to extract the words contained in the document. Pre-processing. After the image is inputted into the program, the pre-processing function enhances the image to ensure better accuracy in classification. The image is pre-processed in such a way so that it will be easier for the program to detect different kinds of strokes which belongs to the same class or alphabet. Next, training. Images from the pre-processing functions are brought to the training function so that the program can store the training data into its database. The k-nearest neighbor function is already built into a OpenCV library, so that a function only needs to be called while passing the training data to a set function. Next one is classification. The function focuses more on the action performed on the testing image. Similar to the training images, the testing images is first preprocessed to obtain a new cropped and scaled images. The processed image is then compared with the training images by using the k-nearest neighbor algorithm. How KNN algorithm work? KNN algorithm is used because it's a high accuracy over non-linear multi-class problems. First, algorithm steps, KNN algorithm steps. First steps, the training images having the set of characters in different format is read and processed training images is converted into gray color using OpenCV. In OpenCV for color conversion, we use function cv2.cvt_color, which takes two parameters. One is input images and flag. Flag indicates the type of conversion. Then the threshold is applied to the converted image using cv2.threshold.function. In the input, we only want text area. We should neglect background. For that reason, OpenCV provides cv2.getStructuring element function. To get outline of an image, we should use cv2.findContours. This function returns the list of all contours in an image. Each contour is a numpy array of x, y coordinates of the boundary points in the objects. Now by using this function, we got the x and y coordinates of the required text area. Now we can draw a rectangle using the function cv2.rectangle with the help of x and y coordinates. Now extracted text area is saved to the text file. Second module is training and testing. The saved file are loaded. Next is the second module is for training and testing. Training, how we train the machine. Image from the pre-processing functions are brought to the training function so that the program can store the training data into its database. The k-nearest neighbor function is already built into a OpenCV library. So the function only needs to call while passing the training data to a set function. Since this experiment uses the k-nearest neighbor algorithm approach, the training data also stored in function space, feature space. A feature space is a dimensional vector of numerical feature that represent a certain object. These objects have their respective coordinates in the feature space according to their features. Their positions scatter around the feature space, but objects which belongs in the same class are usually grouped near to each other because they own similar features. The number of training images and files paths should be inputted manually on the code upon execution. Upon execution, the program will load and pre-process the image from a folder containing all the training images. After all the training images have been extracted and stored into the program proceeds to load and classify the tested images. The result of the classification is printed out on the display. Next topic, advantage of OCR using KNN. Before KNN can be used for both the classification and regression predictive problem, however, it is more widely used in classification problem in the industry. To evaluate in any technique, we generally look at three important aspects. One is is to interpret output, second one is calculation time, and third one is predictive power. We are comparing KNN with other three algorithms, which is logistic regression, CART, random forest, and KNN. We can see here, is to interpret output, we have a KNN 3, means value. Calculation time is also more for KNN, and predictive power is also more for KNN. Compared to this, KNN is best suited for the OCR technology. Next, disadvantage of OCR using KNN. OCR systems are expensive. Images produced by the scanner consumes lot of memory space. Image lost some quality during scanning and digitizing process. Quality of the final image depends on the quality of the original image. Next, coming to application. CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is a program that can generate and grade test of series of letters of numbers. Invoice imaging. Invoice imaging is used in business application to keep track of financial records. And next one is automatic number recognition. Automatic number plate recognition is used as a mass surveillance to identify vehicle registration plates. Next, in banking sector, voucher is used to process checks without human involvement. Healthcare, it is useful to input medical data into an electronic database that can be accessed as necessary. Conclusion, future work. Next topic. Conclusion, the KNN method is 98.69% efficient. Machine learning is widely used as it can recognize 5198 test characters. Future work, automated number plate recognition of vehicles, fast tracking method. In banking, where it is used to process checks without human involvement. Thank you.